In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit in a Wix site. Whether you're brand new to Wix or just looking to refresh your skills, understanding how to effectively make changes to your website is crucial. So, let's dive right in and break it down step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your Wix account. This is your main hub for all things related to your website, and having easy access to Wix will allow you to seamlessly manage your site. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Wix has a user-friendly interface, so you'll find it pretty intuitive if you spend just a little time exploring. Next, navigate to your site's dashboard. You'll see a list of all the sites you've created. Find the one you're eager to update, then click on Edit Site. This will take you into the Wix Editor, a powerful tool that lets you have full control over the look and feel of your site. It's a great opportunity to adjust the design elements and content to better suit your style or update some outdated information. Now let's talk about editing the content and design. In the Wix editor, you can select different elements of your site by simply clicking on them. Want to change a text box? Click on it, and you'll be able to edit the text directly. If you're looking to modify images, click on them to replace, reposition, or resize. Wix also offers a variety of design tools to help you customize the colors, backgrounds, and fonts. This is where you can let your creativity shine, ensuring everything aligns with your brand or personal preferences. Remember, the key here is to keep your user experience in mind. Ensure your site is easy to navigate and visually appealing. After you've finished making your edits, it's time to make those changes live. Look for the Publish button, typically situated in the top right corner of the editor. Clicking Publish will update your live website, making all your hard work visible to the public. It's always a smart idea to preview your changes before publishing to ensure everything looks just right. This way, you can catch any small errors that might have been overlooked. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently edit your Wix site, ensuring it remains up to date and engaging for your visitors. Editing your site regularly helps to keep your content fresh and relevant, ultimately improving your site's performance in search engines and keeping your audience coming back for more. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!